Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text filling up animation on CapCut PC. Grab the text button here and type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in colorful. I'm just going to type in the word color. You're going to copy and paste it, and you're going to select a different color. You can choose like different colors for each letter if you'd like to. I'm just going to do this color scheme as a purple. Then you are just going to right click on the text, create compound clip, and select mask and select split, and you're going to split it this way so it looks like it's filling from the bottom to the top. Add a keyframe here at the beginning, and at the end you're going to want to move it up. If you think it's filling up too slow, you're just going to move the keyframes closer to each other. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you want, you can add in like graphs to make it smoother. I guess there's not really big of a difference, but yeah, if you found this if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.